The Awadhi language is spoken in Uttar Pradesh in the districts like Pratapgarh, Ayodhya, Amethi, Prayagraj, Jais, Raebareli, Gonda, etc. It is an ancient language and many old Hindu religious books like Ramcharitmanas and Hanuman Chalisa have been written in Awadhi language. It is basically the language of ancient Ayodhya region. Apart from India, Awadhi language is also spoken in some parts of Nepal too. Also in the 19th century when the British took hundreds of indentured labourers from Awadh area of Uttar Pradesh to Fiji, Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana and nearby places, these labourers who could not come back got settled in these countries and their future generations too spoke Awadhi language. But sadly Awadhi language is gradually getting extinct and is dying. Awadhi language is written using Devanagari script and hence has the same alphabets as we have in Hindi and Sanskrit. The pronunciation is also exactly how it is written. Many verbs in Awadhi language have an E sound at the end, for example, to say, kahi, to read, padhi, to come, ai, to beat, mari, to listen, suni, etc. We are starting this Learn Awadhi Language series to teach Awadhi language to the people who are interested in learning this language and also to keep the heritage of Awadhi language alive. Stay tuned with us to get regular lessons of Awadhi language. Thank you.